Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.
Black Shark Team welcomes you back to the channel. Today I want to introduce you to the Exyter project. It's a trading bot that executes cryptocurrency trading operations and generates passive income. Income reaches up to 3.8%. The site features a minimalist design that is currently trending. Let's log in and take a look at the account. After logging in, you'll land on the Bots tab, where your investments and daily income are displayed. My deposit is $500, and my daily income is 9.34%. Keep in mind that the deposit is included in the payouts, which occur every minute. Click on the Investments button. For deposits up to $100, the profit rate is 8.64%. If you invest $101 or more, the profit increases to 9.34%, resulting in a net profit of 32% over 14 days, which is impressive for such a short period. Deposits can be made using major cryptocurrencies you're already familiar with. In this section, you can also track your deposits and withdrawals from the project. The minimum withdrawal amount is $5. I've already withdrawn my profits and referral commissions in 2 separate transactions. Click on the affiliate button. In this section, you'll see your partners, their total number, the total amount of their investments, and your rewards for referring them. I invite you to join my team to earn passive income together. Visit the bots page to claim a $3 bonus and test the platform without any investment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Black Shark Team and Telegram Black Shark Crypto. Links are in the video description.
Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.